Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. I welcome to my channel Bioprofessional. Here in this video, we'll talk about how you can download the SLAT certificate, that is SLAT 2021. Okay, I'll show you how you can get your certificate from the SLAT Commission. Okay, so first of all, let me just go to SLAT Commission here, the website. So you can see here, this is the SLAT site. So click there, so you'll be redirected to this page. Okay, so you can see here issue of SAT certificate, right? So it is written, it is notified for information of all concerned that the SAT certificate will be issued with effect from 10th September 2021 onward. The candidates will have to bring required documents as mentioned in the information brochure. Okay, so see, let us get the notification here and let us see what it is written. So it is written, the same thing. You have to bring all the documents. Okay, so before that, I think all of you have seen your result. So this is your scorecard. If you just get this file, you will see, right, this is the result sheet. So according to the subject, why it is there, like this is the SMS, candidate name, your every information is there. So based on this you can check your result. So this video is for those who have already passed this examination, or it means what happened that you passed this examination earlier and you have not taken the certificate, right, from the SLAT Commission. So basically we have to get the notification or the information brochure. So this one, this is December 2020, not required. This one notification, let me just check this one. See, it is for general information that the result of the SLAT exam of SLAT Commission Assam. Okay, this is not required. Okay, here it is written, the certificates will be issued to the successful candidates after 45 days. Means when the result is declared, after the certificates will be issued to the successful candidates after 45 days. Okay, after result is declared, the candidates will have to deposit 250 rupees through bank challan. The original mark sheet of PG is required. If you have any category certificate, that you have to produce in original, up to date. If it is, means like if you are in some category like OBC, SC, EWS, so you have to actually have that original copy. You have to deposit, like you have to take the original copy there and you have to submit the Xerox copy of it with a self-attested. And also you required actually admit card. So it is written, it is written, candidate as on last date of filling up forms, not as on issue of certificate or received of certificate, and admit card of set will have to be submitted for verification before issue of the. Yes, that means they will verify your documents. If it is everything it is fine, then only they will issue your certificate. If discrepancy in documents and testimonials are detected, then such candidates will be treated as unsuccessful and no certificate will be issued in favor of them. So you'll not get certificate if your document is not actually verifiable properly. Okay, so this one, this notification is important. Not this one, let me just check. Let us visit this website for getting the notification brochure, right, brochure that we have got earlier. Download this one, it is important. Here you will see information. So this notification, before you applied for SLAT 2021, you got this file, right? So see, everything is written over there, right? So those part we'll discuss which is important for getting the certificate, right? This one, yes, it is very very important. If you see, the pass certificate will be issued after 45 working days from the date of announcement of set result, right? This one I'm talking about. Next, the candidate may collect the pass certificate personally or through messenger duly authorized by the candidate along with the following. That means if you cannot go there because you have to go to the SLAT commission that is in Guwahati, you have to go. I'll share the information, that is the exact location where you have to go. So the candidate may collect the pass certificate personally or through messenger. Now you can give authorization to somebody else by proper mentioning the name and the validity of that authorized person, means from when to when you are giving this authorization to that particular person. Mark sheet, it is the documents which is required: mark sheet of PG final or third and fourth semester. That means you have to, if you are in final semester, then only you can actually apply for this examination, and you have to produce the original certificate. Then your caste certificate or any special category certificate in original it is required. Admit card of SAT in original it is required. So admit card is also required, right? If the pass certificate, see this point, if the pass certificate is to be issued through authorized person, the signature of the authorized person should be attested by the candidate in authority letter with his or her signature, which was used in the admit card and the test form. Means you have to put your signature and everything details. If you are giving authorization to some other person, right, you have to mention the name of that person, you have to put your signature and everything you have to give, right? The cost of certificate is, rupees 250. The fee is to be paid through a bank draft in favor of member secretary SLAT commission, northeast region, drawn on SBI Guwahati uh, university branch. So you have to make a bank draft to this bank, SBI Guwahati university branch, right? This is the branch code it is given. So basically you have to give a draft of rupees 250. Now this is important actually. Many students complain that I lost my admit card. So what you can do for loss of admit card, the application for issue of duplicate admit card be submitted personally by the candidate with paper cut of newspaper. First of all, you have to give an FIR, right, to the police station regarding the loss of admit card, and then you have to take the paper cut and you have to submit to the SAT commission with a fee of rupees 100, right? So that is the thing actually. Now question is that where to send, right, where to go. Let me show you the, see, uh, see, this is the, you can see here, this is the address, North Jalukbari, Guwahati. This is the pin code 781014. So you have to go to Jalukbari, Guwahati, and you can reach there, and actually you can get the certificate from 10:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. So within this time you have to go there and you have to submit your document, and on the same day or maybe in the next day you will be getting your certificate. So any queries you have, you can write in the comment section. I'll try to answer it, right? And I again congratulate all the students who have qualified this SLAT 2021 examination, from all the different branches. So yes, of course, you can now do your PhD and further studies so that you can be appointed as a assistant professor in different colleges and universities. So thank you very much. Keep sharing my videos if you like, and please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much.